Put it on standby. You actually have to put her leg in it because otherwise she will fall. Poor child. It's okay. I should have went both of them. So their legs are out like this. Hey, this is cute. Oh, poor kid. The child carrier totally works. Hola muchachos, we are at IKEA. As you saw, Rachel helped me with the baby beluga wrap. This is actually like the children's one. Like this is the one that the kids wear when they carry like their babies and stuff. Obviously not their real babies, but like their stuffies and whatever. So that's what we got Ellie in right now. And actually, it fits not too bad. Her little leg, her little bum, her little face. Okay, does anyone need to go potty?
I need potty.
I was just telling Rachel, I love the two-tone kitchen. We got like big, oh, wrong one. There we go. Big wood cabinets. Oh, it's okay. And then on the bottom, I love the pull-out. On the bottom, it's kind of like that gray, creamy color. Do you like it? Oh my goodness, that pull-out is so nice. Cool. See, the wood looks really cool with this. And I just love these pull-outs. These are so nice. I'm also just loving all of like the office-y stuff. I don't have an actual office right now, but I would love to have one someday, but I love the pegboard. Oh, they have paints. That's cute. This seems like such a good idea, just to put all your stuff on. There's different little pieces that you can hook onto it for an office. It's so cool. Look at this, teeny tiny wooden bowls, medium-sized wooden bowls, large wooden bowls. Anything wooden, like all the wooden stuff is just so classic and organic and cool. All right, you lead us, Ivy. Where do you want to go? Ice cream for yourself. Come here, come here. What's your favoriteest food?
Help.
Some help?
Yeah.
It's definitely not broccoli. It's definitely not squash. Do you think maybe it's ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh, mine too, same. Also, we decided to put Ellie in the bottom, and Calvin keeps saying, listen. Uh-oh. I love this section just because I love just organizing and staying organized. Look at how cute this is. Dang, that's cute. I like that. Wow, it's very broken, huh? Try to steer with one hand. Ivy is helping me find a basket because we need something to put all of the kids' books in. Just where they are right now, it's kind of getting ruined. Well, not this one, because this is the one that we have them all in, and it's just kind of ruining the basket itself. Look at this big crate. Don't you think this would be perfect for putting our storybooks in? Let's get one of these. Also, Ivy loves having like her Sunday school papers. Just one second, my kid needs a soother. There you go, there we go. And she likes having books beside her bed, but she's on a bunk bed, so it's kind of weird, but I thought this would be perfect. It's like something that you put on your wall, and it has little pockets. I love the lighting section, it's just such good lighting. Ah, look at this one, that is weird. Like why? I don't understand, that is weird. Look at this, I'm liking like yellow recently. Yellow in my space is really pretty. Look at that. That is like the big Pixar lamp. That's huge. Look at it. Look at it. If I stand beside it, look how big it is. It's huge. Okay. All of a sudden, Ivy said she needs to go potty. So we're like running to find a bathroom. Hold it, Ivy. Hold it. I'm like literally running. Yeah, feels so good. Mission accomplished, everybody. We're in the mirror section. Woo! These kiddos are hilarious. Wah, wah. Outfit of the day. My pants are Thrifted Levi's. My shoes are Vivo Barefoots. My top is Brunette The Label, and it even says Brunette. Rach has one that says Blonde. My backpack is Colorland, and my watch is the 5th. Pretty cute. And my ring is Anna Luisa. Love. So, woo! It's so nice. day, everybody. We got the things that we came in for. Potty, of course. And right now we're gonna actually go back inside. First I gotta get Ivy a little pair of panties. Hey, where are they? We just had a little bit of an accident, which, you know what, you gotta expect this stuff when you have a 3-year-old who is just kind of weird. I don't know, Ivy's potty trained, but she still has quite a few accidents, kind of in spurts. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get her all cleaned up because she needs to be clean. And we're gonna go back inside and find Rachel. Yes, girl. I can't raise my arm any higher because I'm breastfeeding. But update, I just gotta flip you guys around. We're all sitting down at the IKEA cafeteria and I got salmon with vegetables and the vegetable medallions. Oh my goodness, they are so good. And Ivy got, you don't want your broccoli? Sure, I'll eat your broccoli. You want my carrots? I'll eat your carrots. Fair trade. Such a don't eat your vegetables, Beverly. Ivy, what did you get? Apple slices and mac and cheese. Calvin is just devouring a bun, but we'll see you guys back in the car. Oh. Okay. Okay, now we'll see you guys back in the car. I feel like I'm really gonna regret this. Sarah's getting gas over there. Don't know if you can see her. So I pick up the camera. I'm really gonna regret it because Sarah's gonna see it and then she's gonna post. This is like when you grab someone's phone and you take pictures of yourself on them and then they post all of them. Hey Ivy, I'm trying to zoom in. There you go. Take a picture of Bevy. Yeah, let's see. Let me see if I can get it. There she is. And Calvin too is taking a nap. Did we have fun in IKEA?
Yeah.
Yeah. And did we beep when we walked out of the door? Do you remember we walked through the security doors at the middle of the store and the beeper went off? We still don't know why. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say, Auntie Rach is the coolest.
Auntie Rach is the coolest.
Yeah, and Bev's pretty awesome too.
Baby, awesome too.
And we love Uncle Eli. Wait, I want to look at these. Wait, let's go over the ones you don't like. You don't like this one, right? Nope. I'll delete the ones that you don't like. Bad. Oh, that was hilarious. Can you block out my head somehow? I can delete it. It's like, I like this one. Look funny. How tall that looks. That one's really good. It's legit. I like that one. That was a crazy one. Look, I look like Luke. Oh my gosh, you do. I know. You know what? The older I get, the more I look like Luke. Yeah. Luke is our older brother. And I the really shorter your hair gets, the more you look like Luke. Okay, my nose. It's running like crazy. All right, well, hello, welcome back everybody. Hi. Oh, it's hi. Like, who are we talking to? So me and Rachel, we thought, well, all the kids were sleeping. Ivy and Calvin are now awake, which I kind of expected, but Elizabeth and Beverly are still asleep. But we thought while the kids were napping, we were just gonna, what is that with that guy's hair? A little weird. We thought while the kids were napping and while we were wearing our brunette and blonde t-shirts, not that the color of them is blonde or brunette, but it says in little letters, brunette and blonde. We thought we'd take pictures together for our Instagrams. Also, we're really good at taking photos together and we always have a lot of fun. And I peed my pants a little bit because my eyes are watering because I was laughing so hard. I was losing it. That was so good. Anyway, get jumping pictures with 2 phones, and a pregnant woman is really difficult. And when both the phones are like timed like a second off from each other, it's a little weird. It's a little bad. Oh yeah, so we've been out of IKEA for a while, driving around, driving home, getting pictures done, and now, am I just dropping you off? At your house? I guess so. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna drop off Rachel at her house, and we were pretty successful at IKEA. We got everything we wanted to get, but Rachel didn't get her rug. Rachel has kind of just been, she's been in need for a rug. Like, Beverly's just at that age. She's like 8 or 9 months, right? Yeah, she'll be 9 months at the end of the month. Aww, she's at that age where she's starting to sit up and really move around, and she needs a nice rug to play on. But Rachel's a lot like me, but maybe a little bit more picky when it comes to items in her house. Yep. Right? Yes. So Rachel was wanting something very specific. So Rachel, I don't know what Rachel wants for a rug. Her description was really confusing to me. It's confusing to me too, but it makes sense in my head. I feel like I need to see a picture or like a Pinterest board or something. Let me find you the one rug that I found on Pinterest that I love. It's grandma meets vintagey meets
Persian.
kind of almost Persian.
Yeah.
Because I like looking for rugs.
Too.
You're welcome.
I liked looking for rugs too until I looked at like 10,000, no lie, of them, whether it be online or in stores.
Just can't find any.
I just can't find any because it's like the ones that are like design wise are not practical for a kid. Like we're in a basement suite, and how the flooring people did it was they didn't put any foam down underneath either, so it's like the foundation concrete and then laminate.
It's
on top.
hard and it's cold.
It's so cold.
Yeah. And it doesn't say on Pinterest where they got the rug from.
No, I looked.
Recently, Kieran got an inch of fiberglass stuck in his thumb, and it's been in there for a while, but he pulled it out, I think, day before yesterday, and he filmed it. So Kieran took a video of him pulling it out and posted it to the family, my in-law family group chat. I just want to see your reaction.
Kind of like a blackhead, like you said.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
God.
know! That was in his thumb for 4 or 5 days.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that crazy?
That's insane. And Jenny, God never wastes our suffering.
Ooh!
How
Where's the little potty? Where's the rest of the potty? I have some of it here. We have this part. Where's the other part? Just gonna go find it. We got back from IKEA and we're all just partying and don't touch, Cal. No touching. Excuse you. Oh, thank you. So while we were at IKEA, we bought a potty. The last one, I think we lost. So the last one we lost somehow. I'm not really sure where it went, but this is the other potty. I keep this in the car. This is for emergencies, and these are nice to have. Also, I got some wooden hangers at our front door, and then plastic hangers throughout the rest of the house.
Really big. These guys
Okay, so we got a pillow insert. Been really into this like rusty yellow color for my space. I just think it kind of...
sing. And these guys too.
I just kind of think it makes sense. We got a yellow cover. We got this. This is actually for Ivy wall pockets because she has all of her things in her bed, and she also likes keeping her Sunday school papers in her bed. So I thought having this on the wall where she can put all her stuff in her, just a nice big crate for our books, because what we're using for our books right now isn't working at all. This is gonna be for our books. So I think that's actually all we got. So I did not splurge at IKEA at all. And you know what? I usually don't splurge at all at IKEA. What I actually did splurge on, look at this coat. Ooh! Boom, boom. This is what I splurged on. This was my splurge item of the year. A beautiful Babaton leather coat. Oh, hold on. Abby's gonna show you her coat.
My coat is from Rico.
It's so cool. But I had my pleather coat that I previously thrifted for I think 6 or 7 years, and I needed to actually just bite the bullet and buy a nice one. I've been looking for like a used one, a vintage one, a thrifted one, and I couldn't find one that I liked at all. And I just was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it brand new. It's gonna be nice. Oh, I wants to show you her boots here. Show them them boots. Ooh. That's right. It zips up to being almost like a turtleneck, and like how awesome is it? It's so soft, and the zipper is like on the side. So now I have this great leather jacket that I splurged on, and you know what? I don't regret it for a second. One of the best purchases I've probably ever made. Calvin, I love you. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys very much for watching. Oh, just like Ivy wants to... This is so cool. Thrifted maxi dress. I love this on you. It's so cute. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for just sticking around with us and having fun.
Bye.
Bye. See you all in our next vlog.
I guess I'm betting.
Go right ahead. Press that button.